Just put eggs inside the Coca-Cola and you'll thank me later. It's incredible. And that's it, folks. I put 2 eggs inside the Coca-Cola. And now I'll need to mix it very well. Look at this wonderful tip. Just mix it very well like this, and it will start to change color. It's already starting to turn kind of brown, see? Before I open it here, I'll need a blender. Here in the blender, I already put a little of this Coke, so I'm using a total of 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, and now I'll need to carefully open this Coke. Open it very slowly. I'll pour all this mixture into the blender, and look at the consistency it gets. Guys, look at how it looks. See? It becomes a very creamy mixture. Next, I'll need a spoonful of margarine. Note that this spoon here is quite full. And now here will fit my blender very well, and I'll beat it very well until all this butter dissolves. I mixed it very well here already. And next, I'm adding 1.5 cups of wheat flour. You have no idea what's going to come out of this recipe. And I'm also adding 200 grams of cocoa powder here. I'll close it again, and now I'll beat it for another 2 minutes. Take the opportunity to tell us where you're watching us from. I would love to know where our recipe is reaching. And next, we'll add a spoonful of baking powder. I'll close it, and now I'll beat it, and I'll show you how it's going to look. After mixing it very well, I come with a greased pan already. Here I greased it with margarine and cocoa powder, and I'll pour this mixture in here. Now we'll put it in the oven at 180 degrees, a Coca-Cola cake, for about 20 minutes. It's super quick. I'll show you how it's going to look. I'm sure you'll be surprised. Now our cake is well baked. Look at this beautiful cake. Super tasty and easy to make. So I come here with a plate. I'll put it here. Guys, tell us in the comments what you think of this recipe. And then, to finish, I come with a ganache. In this one, I used cream and dark chocolate. But you can use your preference, and I'll put it all over it. It's mouth-watering. Look at this creaminess. Make it at your homes, and you won't regret it. And look at this, guys. Cutting here the cake, it turned out super fluffy. If you like this recipe and want to receive more, don't want to miss out on the news we have here on our page, write down below, I want. Okay? With that, the platform simply understands that you're interacting with the page and that you want to receive more news, and it will keep you updated on all the best news from our page. Super fluffy, and at the beginning of the video, I said you wouldn't regret this recipe. I'm sure you never imagined in your life eating a Coca-Cola cake, right? This cake is delicious and makes everyone happy here at home. The taste is amazing. I challenge you to try this at your home. You will be impressed with the final result, and you'll come back here to thank me. So make it at your homes. Bye-bye.